Hello guys, welcome back to the FX Academy, and today we shall be talking about pattern series or series of patterns that are in the market that are very useful, and we shall be continuing with the Forex course later on, so after this series of patterns. So what if I told you that one of the easiest bullish reversal pattern looks like a W shape? As you see, there's a W shape, and if you can spot it very well in the market, then you can catch a strong market reversal. So today I will be showing you how this pattern looks like and how we trade it. So a double bottom is simply a bullish reversal pattern, and when I say bullish reversal pattern, I mean like the pattern is helping us to change from a downtrend, to an uptrend. So that's what we call a bullish reversal pattern. Now, how does a double bottom looks like? A double bottom is basically when prices move downwards, create a lower low, what we would call our first bottom, and then moves up to create a lower high, and that lower high is where we first mark our neckline. So and then prices come back and try to move lower than this lower low, like to make another lower low, but then eventually prices fail to prices fail to come under break even to make another lower low. So when that happens, now we are having a strong demand area, and here buyers are likely to step in. So the next thing that we want to see is prices to move up and break the neckline, and when they break the neckline, then we are basically good to go. And the neckline in simple terms like a market structure break, but in other words, we've first made like two bottoms down. That's why it's called a double bottom. Now the double bottom these bottoms can either be at the same level here, or another case, the second level can be a little bit slightly above the first bottom. Now this one, the second bottom, is slightly above this one. Note, you shouldn't find something like this, the second bottom just slightly like it's higher than this one, like it's having a higher, like it's very high than the first bottom, and then you consider that like a double bottom pattern. No, it should be just slightly higher, just very slight, like just very slight higher, so that we confirm this. So when we find this, when the bottoms are very at the same level, and you also find where the structure is having the second bottom slightly higher than the first one, these are all valid double bottom patterns. Now, how do we trade this? Here we can see that since we say it's a bullish reversal pattern, that means it forms after a series of downtrend. So after us having a downtrend, we see that price came and made what we call our first lower low. So on making the first lower low, we expect prices to form another lower high, which it did, and then we want to see prices moving, like price to move lower than this level, so that we make another lower low. But then prices never managed to do that. Like prices came back to test the same low here again, but instead of breaking lower to form another lower high, buyer stepped in again and pushed prices up. So, and this creates what we call a W shape. So after us seeing something like from here, prices have failed, prices have failed to prices have failed from here. Prices have failed to make another lower low, and instead are moving up. Then all we want to see is to see prices break this neckline up, and when they do that, we wait for a simple retest and then we press our orders. How do we target the take profit? We measure the distance from one bottom to the neckline, like AB. AB is the distance from the bottom to the neckline. So this distance is the same as this AC, and it's always approximately like the distance from this bottom to the neckline is the same distance that prices will move towards the profit level after breaking the neckline. And most of the time, traders enter immediately after the break because the confirmation is already done that here buyers stepped in. You don't need any other confirmation. However, some traders wait. The ones that enter directly after the break, those are the aggressive traders. But there are traders that are having low capital, and so they need to wait for a simple retest like this one. Now this was a simple retest. Yeah, this was a simple retest, so that they get a discounted buy, so that they buy at a very low price and then make profits. So you enter from here, measure the distance from the bottom to the neckline, and then that's the take profit level, and is 80% assure that prices will go up that distance before turning in any other direction. So this has been part one of the Dow bottom, and in the next part we shall be having a real chart example on how this pattern is traded. So stay tuned in for the next part. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed.